Assalamu alaikum. Now we have to do some objective portion which usually come in the exams. And also we have some short questions, okay? The main objective of this video is that all of you must be able to what is the main purpose of this video? That all of you will be able to fill the blanks, okay? Sometimes the filling the blanks are given, so all of you will be able to fill the blanks. Secondly, you have to identify true or false. Obviously, you must know that either that question or answer is true or false. And next one is the short questions, okay? Sometimes instead of a long question, short questions are given, and this video will helpful to solving such type of short question, okay? Basically, this video is related to quadratic expressions, identities, okay? Simple identities, perfect squares and difference of two squares. The first one, mostly it comes in, they have written that encircle the correct option, okay? First one is in the expression. Why we have to call it expression? Why we don't call it equation? Because here we have no equality sign, okay? So in the expression 6x square plus 9x, the common factor is, okay, look at 6 and 9. In 6, in 2 times table 6 will come, but 9 in 9 it will not come. So which number is common in both? 3. So in 3 time table when 6 will come, 3 2 times 6, and when 9 will come, 3 3s are 9, okay? So 3 is common in both of these two terms. Okay, why I said that these are two terms? Because here in the center we have equality sign. Sorry, we have plus sign. Either we have plus sign or negative sign. In such cases, all the in the expression, all the terms are separated by using these signs. Okay. So here 3 is common. Next, x square. X square means how many times I have written x? 2 times. And here we have only a single x. So here we have common 3x. So they are saying what is the common factor? So the common factor is 3x. Okay, now we come to the next one. They are saying solution of this quadratic expression. So why do we call it quadratic? Because here in the first place we have square, the power of x is square, then we have 1, and then we have 0. If power of x is 0, so it is equal to constant. So we have to find the solution of this quadratic expression, that is x square minus 5x plus 6. Very easy. You have to find such factor. When we have to multiply, we will get 6. And when we have to add, we will get this minus 5. So first of all, in 6 time table, 1 6 times 6. But when we have to add 6 plus 1, it is equal to 7. So the second factor is 2 and 3. And both minus 2 and minus 3. So minus into minus plus 3, 2 times 6. And this one is when we have to add, we will get this minus 5. So the answer is, okay, first of all, I have to write it here. The correct option is minus 3 and minus 2. These are the two factors, okay? I also solve for this. Look here. Here they have written x square, okay? Then we have to write minus 2x minus 3x. And next we have plus 6. So now we have to, here in the second step, we have to take the common. So we have to take the common, x is common. So here we have x minus 2. And here, which one is common? Minus 3 is common. And in the bracket, I have x minus 2. Why I have to return x minus 2? Because minus into minus plus 3 2 times 6. So I have to write the factor. It is equal to x minus 3 and x minus 2. So the factors of this algebraic expression, quadratic expression is x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Then we have to take the common and we will get the factor x minus 3, x minus 2. So basically factors are minus 3 and minus 2. So the D portion is the correct one. Okay. Now we move towards the next one. Okay. Dash are called perfect square. A square plus b square, a square minus b square, or bracket a plus b whole square. This one is the correct option, a plus b whole square, bracket whole square. So this one is the correct option. The C one is the correct option. Okay. Now, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Why we call it equation? Because it has equality sign. Quadratic. We learn about algebraic and then we have to learn about quadratic. Now we comes to the next. A minus b whole square. It is equal to, it is equal to a square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, yeah, or we can say first term square. What we can say first term square minus 2 first term and next we have second term. Okay, and next in the last we have second term square. So what is the formula of for solving this perfect square? A minus b whole square, first term square minus 2 first term second term and then plus second term square. Now we comes to this a plus b, a minus b. When we have to open, it is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So this is the formula. A square minus b square a plus b, a minus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. Look here. We comes to this one also. A minus b whole square, it is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now, it is, we have to write either it is 2 or 4. A plus 3, a plus 7. It is equal to this one. Look here. A multiplied by a square. And then when we have to multiply this a with this 7, it is 7a, this is 3a. So 7a plus 3, it is equal to plus 10a. But here they have written minus 10a. So a square minus 10a plus 21 is the correct option. No, it is a false. So here we have to write false. Okay. No doubt, when we have to add, we will get 10. When we have to multiply, we will get 21. But here the sign is wrong. Minus is not required. The exact sign is plus. Okay. Okay, expand. 2x in the bracket, we have 5x plus 5. All you know how we have to open the bracket. First of all, we have to multiply the sign and then the number and then the variable. So both have the same, no sign. So it means they have the positive sign. Okay, we have positive sign in both cases. So we can say how we have to write it here. Plus 5 2 times 10 x into x, it is equal to x square. Okay. Next, we have to multiply the second term to 1 time, because here no coefficient is given. This means 1 is given. So to 1 times 2, x multiplied by y is equal to x. So here to 1 times 2, so x1. This one is the answer. 2x plus 5x plus 1, when we have to open, it is equal to plus 10x square plus 2xy. Now you have to use algebraic identities to solve this. Look here, this one, if we said first term square plus 2, first term second term plus second term square. So what is the first term written here? It is 57. Okay. And in the center, which sign is given? Plus sign is given. So here I have to put plus. In the second, what is the second term? That is 3. So I have to put 3 and then I have to take its square. So 57 plus 3 whole square. Now look here, 57 plus 3, it is equal to what? It is equal to 60. So 60. So I have to take its square, and when I have to open it, very easy, without using calculator, you can easily open it. Zeros, and when we have to write square of this 0, we have to write 0 2 times, and 6 times 36. So 60 into 60 is equal to 3600. Next, find the product. Product means you have to multiply. How we have to multiply, I will tell you. You have to break the first bracket, and then you have to write the second as it is. What is the first bracket? That is x. You have to write the second bracket as it is. That is this one. Okay. Next, we have to write the second plus 4. Next, again, we have to write the second bracket as it is. Clear? Now we have to easily open it. X into x square, it is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus 7x. Okay. Here we have plus 4x square minus 20x plus 7 4 times 28. So I have to write it for you. First, I have to delete that. Okay. So we have to write x cube. Look here. So x multiplied by x squared is equal to x cube. According to fifth chapter indices, we have, if the base is same, we have to add the powers index. So x into x cube minus 5x square. Okay, x into x, it is equal to x square. And the next one is plus 7x. Now we move toward the next one, that is equal to plus 4 x square. So it is equal to plus 4x square minus 5 4 times 20 x, and then plus 7 4s are 28. Now you can add or subtract the like terms. X cube minus 5x square plus 4x square. So they both have the different signs. So 5 minus 4, it is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1x square. And we have to place the sign of the greater number. Okay. I have to delete side by side. Next, 7x plus 4 5s are 20 minus 20. So it is equal to, again, the sign are different. So we have to subtract 20 minus 7x. It is equal to 13x. And we have to place the sign of the greater number, that is negative. So here I have 13. So this one is the answer. X cube minus 1x square minus 13x plus 28. Okay. Now we come to the next question. That is, we have to factorize 6p square plus 7p minus 20. Again, we have to make the factors 120. So 15p minus 8p, and then we have to solve, and we will get this the solution. Okay, I have to do it for you. Look here. I have to write 6p square change the font size. Okay, 6p square. Next we comes to what is the sign of the greater number plus? So I have to write plus. Yeah, first I have to write the smaller one minus 8p. Okay, and then we have to write the greater, that is plus 15p. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. And next I have minus 20. Now I have to take the common 6 and 8. 2p is common. So 3p minus 4. Look here. In 6 and 8, what is the common? 2. So 3 times 6, p square and p bar. Which one is common? P is common. So we have 2p. So I just write the one. Okay. Into 4 times 8, p will go outside. So it is equal to 2p, 3p minus 4. Here again I have to write plus 15 and 20. What is the common factor? 5 is common. So 5, just I have to write 5. In 5 turn table, when 15 will come 3 times, so I have to write 3p minus sign I have to put. In 5 turn table, when 20 will come 4 times. So here in the next step, bracket is common. So I have to write the bracket. That is 3p minus 4. Okay. And then I have to write the next factor. That is 2p plus 5. Okay. I have to change the font size. So it becomes visible for you. Okay. I think so now it is clear to all how we have to factorize 3p minus 4, 2p plus 5, 15, 8 times 120, and when we have to separate, we will get plus 7. We have to put the sign of the greater number. Okay. Now this one is the last one. Okay. Factorization. Well, you know that factorization is the reverse of expansion. So how we have to done factorization? By taking common factors, by grouping terms, use closed method, all of them. Yes, all these options are the correct one. So we have to encircle the last one. Okay. This is all for today. So Allah Hafiz.